Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my channel. Now moving towards the next part. In the third part we are given with y is equal to tangent 2x. So we are given with the function tangent. The value of x would be 2x. So x belongs to minus pi and plus pi, means minus 180 and plus 180 we have 2. This is the range. So we will start from minus 15, then add 15 in it. It will be minus 30, minus 45, minus 60, minus 75, minus 90, minus 5, adding 15 degree. Then first I have told you in the first part as well. First we will find the value of x both side. Then minus 120, minus 135, minus 150, minus 165, 180, then 0 degree. Then just write it with the positive sign. 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135, 150, 165, 180. Okay, first you have find the value of x. Now we have to find the value of y. How we can find it? Use the calculator. Tangent 2 multiplied by, first we are given with minus 15 degree. So write minus 15, then we will get answer minus 0.57. So write it here, and the value of positive 15 would be with the plus sign 0.57, and here would be minus 0.57. Then we are having minus 30. Minus 30 is minus 1.73, minus 1.73, and 30 degree would be 1.73 plus 1.73. Then the value of minus 45, let's check, is mass error infinity. We will write here infinity, and plus 45 would be equal to infinity as well. Then we are having 2 multiplied by minus 60, we get plus 1.73, plus 1.73, and this will be minus negative 1.73. So same method, just we are given here with 2, so multiply the value of x with 2. So then we are having minus 75. So putting in the calculator minus 75, we get 0.577. So we write here 0.577, and it will be negative sign, minus 0.577. Then minus 90 is 0, so 0 here, and 90 will be 0. Then we are having minus 105. So 2 multiplied by minus 105 would be minus 0.57. So it will be positive 0.57. Minus 120 is minus 1.73. It will be plus 1.73. Then minus 135 is alpha. Here would be also alpha. Then minus 150 is 1.73. It will be negative 1.73. This is positive 0.57, it will be negative 0.57, and it will be 0, and it will be 0. This is how you will find the value of x and y. Second method is that you write the value of x in a column, then write the value of 2x, then find the value of x. This is the long procedure. This method is easy. Draw two lines x and y, write the value of x, same method, and here y dash, and here x dash. So see here minus 15, here is 0 degree, then 15, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, same 15, then 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135, 150, 165, and here is 180. Same, leave 2 points and then highlight 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, this is how you will highlight. Then the maximum value is 2 and the minimum value is -2. So maximum value is here would be 1 and here would be 2. Then here would be -1 and here would be -2. Okay, then I will write this and show you. You will write the values with the negative sign, then leave 2 points, 1 2 1 2 1 2. So this is how you will make, and you can highlight this as well if you want. Now moving towards the graph, I told you where there is alpha you put dotted line. So alpha is -45 is alpha and -135 is alpha, positive 45 is alpha, and negative and positive 135 is alpha. So just putting 45 dotted line, so this is how you will put dotted line, and 135 putting the dotted line. You can use scale as well. -45 put a dotted line. Okay, then -135. So in this way you will apply the dots or the lines. Then degree is plus 0.5. 0.5 is here and we put dot here. Then 30 degree is 1.73, which is close to the 2. So 1.73 would be here and point would be like this. So 0 degree is 0 and this. And we will draw like this. Draw the point in form of curve and it will be like this. To form a curve, not touch this line. It should be away from it. Then we are having 60 degree. 60 is minus in the negative, this point, minus 1.73. Then 75 is minus 0.5, so here somewhere here, so it will be like this point. And 90 degree is 0, so 0 here. Okay, so highlighting the points. Then 105 is plus 0.5 somewhere here, 0.5 like this. Okay, then 120 is plus 1.73 here, this point. Okay, this and this, then this and this, and like this. Curve here like this. So you have to draw like this. Then we have 150, which is minus 1.73 somewhere here. This is not the point. Then 165. If 165 is minus 0.5, this is here, and 180 is 0. So like this. Like this. Remember never to touch this both points. It will be away from each other. So same method. Minus 15 is minus 0.5. Minus 0.5 is here. Then minus 30. Now I will just draw it. Minus 1.5 like this and join it like this. Then we have minus 60, which is plus 1.7, which is here, and then we have minus 75, which is 0.5 somewhere here, so this point, and 90 is 0. So you have to draw like this, then minus 105 is minus 0.5 here, and minus 120 is minus 1.7, which is here. Now joining them like this. Then minus 150 is plus 1.7, then 165 is plus 0.5, and 180 is 0. So this is how you will join it. So this is how you will join a graph. Now highlighter as well, so I am using here highlighter. Like this you will join it, okay. Then this one like this, then this way, then this one like this, and this way, then second last this like this, and then this would be like this. So this is the graph of question number 1 part 3. Now moving towards the question number 1 part 6.